Hey there, got a paper check and don't want to make a trip to the bank? Depositing a check with the Chase mobile app is fast, secure, and can be done from anywhere in just a minute. Welcome back to Guide with Samuel. Here's the simple way to do it. Open your Chase app and tap the Deposit Checks option on the home screen or under Pay and Transfer. Endorse the check by signing the back and writing, "For mobile deposit at Chase only." Use your phone's camera to take clear pictures of the front and back of the check. Enter the amount, select the account you want the money to go into, and hit Submit. You'll get a confirmation, and funds are typically available within 1 business day. My crucial pro tip: hold on to the physical check for 14 days. After you get the confirmation, write "Deposited" date on the front and store it securely. Only shred it after 2 weeks, once you're sure the funds have fully cleared and there are no issues. Just like that, you've turned paper into digital cash without leaving your couch. Do you still get many paper checks, or is it mostly digital payments for you now? Let me know in the comments. If time-saving tech guides help you, subscribe for more. Thanks for watching. I'm Samuel, and I'll see you in the next video.